Ever feel like you're running a business, but also playing a constant game of Where's Waldo? With your clients? You set up appointments, you block out your calendar, you prepare, and then crickets. A no-show. It's frustrating, right? It throws off your entire day, costs you money, and frankly, it just feels like a punch to the gut when you've put in all that effort. If you've nodded along even just a little, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into a topic that plagues almost every service-based business. How to drastically reduce those frustrating no-shows, and we're going to do it with the help of a powerful tool. Setmore. Think about it. Every time a client doesn't show up, it's not just a blank space in your schedule. It's lost revenue from that appointment. It's the cost of your time preparing. It's the missed opportunity to serve another client who would have shown up. Over time, these small individual no-shows add up to a significant financial drain and a huge hit to your productivity. We're talking about potentially thousands of dollars a year, depending on your business, simply evaporating into thin air. But why do people no-show? It's rarely malicious. More often than not, it's forgetfulness. Life gets busy. Schedules change. Sometimes they simply double-booked themselves or underestimated how long something else would take. And then there are those who might have a last-minute emergency or even just a change of heart. Whatever the reason, the impact on your business remains the same. So, how do we tackle this multifaceted problem effectively? By being proactive, by providing clear communication, and by making it as easy as possible for clients to remember and manage their appointments. And that's precisely where Setmore shines. Setmore isn't just an appointment booking software. It's a no-show prevention powerhouse. It's designed with features that directly address those common reasons for missed appointments. Let's break down exactly how you can leverage Setmore to turn those frustrating no-shows into committed, valuable appointments. The first and arguably most crucial weapon in your no-show arsenal is automated reminders. This is Setmore's bread and butter. You can set up email and SMS reminders that automatically go out to your clients at specific intervals before their appointment. We're talking about a reminder when they book, another one a day or two before, and even one an hour or two before the appointment. This multi-pronged approach tackles forgetfulness head-on. Imagine this: your client books an appointment with you a week out. They get an instant confirmation. 2 days before, as they're planning their week, a friendly reminder pops up. An hour before, as they're wrapping up their current task, another gentle nudge arrives. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to reminding your clients, without you lifting a finger. Beyond simply reminding, Setmore's automated communications also provide a clear avenue for clients to reschedule or cancel. This is vital. Often, clients no-show because they feel awkward or don't know how to cancel or reschedule. By including a clear link in your automated reminders, you empower them to make changes. This is a win-win. You get notified of the change, allowing you to fill that slot with another client, and your original client avoids the embarrassment of a no-show. It transforms a potential ghosting into a manageable reschedule, keeping your calendar flowing smoothly. Another powerful feature within Setmore is its online booking portal. When clients book online, they're often more invested in the appointment. The act of actively selecting a time and confirming their details creates a stronger commitment. Plus, the booking process itself gathers all the necessary contact information for those crucial reminders. You can even customize your booking page to include essential information about your cancellation policy, setting expectations right from the start. Transparency is key. Now, let's talk about deposits and prepayment. This is a game-changer for businesses where no-shows are particularly costly. Setmore integrates with payment gateways like Square and Stripe, allowing you to require a deposit or even full prepayment for appointments. This creates a significant financial incentive for clients to show up. If they've already paid, they're far less likely to forget or simply blow off the appointment. Even a small deposit can significantly reduce no-shows by filtering out less committed clients and solidifying the commitment of those who do book. This isn't about being punitive. It's about valuing your time and ensuring serious commitment. But it's not just about the technical features. How you use Setmore and how you communicate with your clients around it also plays a massive role. Here are some pro tips. Firstly, Clearly communicate your cancellation and no-show policy. Make it visible on your Setmore booking page, in your confirmation emails, and even in your physical space if applicable. Be firm but fair. A clear policy, enforced consistently, sets expectations and reduces ambiguity. Secondly, personalize your reminders. While automated, Setmore allows you to customize the language of your reminders. Use a friendly, helpful tone that resonates with your brand. A simple, "Hi client name," just a friendly reminder about your upcoming appointment with your business name, on, date, at, time. "We look forward to seeing you," can go a long way. Thirdly, consider follow-up. If a client does no show, a polite, non-confrontational follow-up message can be effective. Something like, "We missed you at your appointment today. If you'd like to reschedule, please use our online booking link." This leaves the door open for future business without making them feel bad. Finally, leverage Setmore's reporting features. Track your no-show rates. Identify patterns. Are no-shows higher on certain days or times? Are certain services more prone to no-shows? This data can help you refine your strategies and potentially adjust your scheduling or reminder cadence. Continuous improvement is key. Reducing no-shows isn't about magically eliminating them entirely. Some are simply unavoidable. But it is about dramatically minimizing their occurrence, reclaiming your valuable time, and boosting your bottom line. By implementing Setmore's automated reminders, facilitating easy rescheduling, considering deposits, and communicating your policies clearly, you transform your appointment management from a reactive, frustrating battle into a proactive, efficient system. You're not just booking appointments, you're building commitment and respect for your time, and that, in the long run, is invaluable for the health and growth of your business. So, if you're tired of playing Where's Waldo with your clients and ready to take control of your schedule and your revenue, it's time to fully embrace the power of Setmore. It's an investment that pays for itself many times over by simply getting more of your clients to show up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.